This video shows what's being reported to be Ethiopian security forces firing live ammunition during an anti-government protest earlier this month in the town of Robe, 400 kilometers south of the capital, Addis Ababa. After what sounds like gunfire, a protester is seen lying on the road. Oromo attended a similar protest in Addis Ababa on the same day. He shows me video of the demonstration.
Is this guy
Yes.
The 76-year-old retired businessman says this is the policeman who beat him.
I said to a policeman, "These are your fellow countrymen. Why are you beating them?" But he just hit me with a stick and another one punched me in the face. I fell on the ground. There were a lot of police. They were even beating women and the hood.
Protests that started in November among the Oromo, Ethiopia's largest ethnic group, have spread in recent weeks. The second largest ethnic group, the Amhara, are now also demanding more political and economic rights. The organisation Human Rights Watch says security forces have killed at least 500 people since the protests began, and that thousands of people have been arrested and detained. Many families have no idea where relatives believed to have been taken by security forces are being held, or if they are even still alive. This man, who wants his identity hidden, says his younger brother hasn't been seen or heard from since the day of the protests in Addis Ababa 2 weeks ago. He says his brother is a medical student who has never been involved in the protests.
I checked every police station around Addis, but they gave us no information. They mistreat us, they threaten us. I don't think my brother went to the protests. I think he was stopped and taken because of his Oromo ID. The police tell us if we keep asking, they will arrest us too.
The ruling party won 100% of federal and regional parliamentary seats in last year's elections. Now, opposition groups and the protesters say that that party is dominated by an ethnic minority that has ruled this country for more than 25 years and is ignoring their constitutional rights. Now, the government has said repeatedly that any security forces found to have committed abuses against protesters or in any way have been involved in killings will be punished. But as yet, publicly at least, nobody has been called to account.
I have to reiterate once again, while this is not a systemic case, there are, however, cases of off-grid police officers who sometimes take the law into their own hands. And of course the government takes such allegations very seriously.
Oromo never told his family he went to the protest. He said he didn't want to make them scared. He says he never told them the truth about who hit him because he doesn't want to make them hate. Charles Stratford, Al Jazeera, Addis Ababa.